All right, Cristiano Ramon's House of Math. Math camp has been going fantastic. We have 4 more days left. Math camp in the can is being constructed as we speak. Here's how it works. Admission is only $13.50 for lifetime members. You get to this page that I'm going to go through right now. $50 will get you a web page that will be at the House of Math that's currently under construction, and this page. And for $39.99, you just get Facebook only. You get this page only. If you are on my website as it is, I mean, like I said, for the homeschoolers that have bought the lifetime memberships, it's $13.50. Simple as that. If you don't want to get a lifetime membership, so in other words, $340 is what currently a lifetime membership is going for. You can save quite a bit of money by just getting one web page. You'll get a password for one web page, and you'll also be able to get in here at $39.99. And see what I have right now is, oh, that's the top of the page, is a whole bunch of people here that are requesting to be members, but they haven't paid. So all you have to do is send me, in this case, because this person is a lifetime member, and this person is a lifetime member, send me $13.50, and you're approved. I should have had, there were a bunch more people that I just got done approving. I don't know who this person is, and neither do I know who this person is. So you're either $39.99 or $50, or you need to tell me that you have a password, because I don't recognize the names for passwords. It's not like I have that many people that have lifetime memberships, so I know most of them. If you do have a lifetime membership, then just send me $13.50. If you do not, then it's either $39.99 or $50. What do you get for $39.99 or $50 or your $13.50? Well, let's see here. For those that pay $2.50, they get to come to Math Camp, and they use this link, and they come for an hour a day, and then we play a little bit more. But you get all kind of posts like this, where, look, here's something cool to build, so your kids can look at models, and what's this? Well, let's see here. Let's count by 7s. Let's count by 5s. Let's add this 7 and this, how many do we have? Let's count by 4s. Is there an easy way to count up all these? I think there is. How about over here? There's a 2 and a 3. That's 5. There's a 2 and a 3. There's 5. Let's see. There's some gun turns down here. I mean, just use your imagination. Play, build, count, have fun. That's the idea. Let's see here. Let's go back. And let's go to this page over here. I think I'm at the bottom. All right. So scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and you'll get to here. And this is what you need to do. You need to scroll all the way down, and then you need, once you get to the bottom of the page, you can start seeing all the different stuff that's here. This cracks me up. Look at all this stuff over here, all these advertisements for, and it's amusing because I look at some of these things and they shouldn't be there. But anyway, skip that. Let's go back over here. Supremely simple subtraction. This is the printable version. If you got this on the internet, it would be $9.99. You get it here for free as part of your membership. Anybody that's got a lifetime pass already has access to this. More videos on Rule of 72. You won't get this anywhere else. And then this other video, I believe I posted this at, yeah, this is an older video talking about women and mathematics and girls and math and so forth. And boy, did that come in spades in the last camp, where I have a little 9-year-old girl doing high school algebra. And just more videos. These are some cool videos on geometry and so forth. Here, this is another video I made that I actually put on the parent-teacher training page. This is a good series. All of you should watch this. Look, there's 27 people in my group, and there are only 17. Everybody should watch all of these videos. That's about a 3.5 hour, because each one of these are half-hour videos, half hour a day in 7 days. And you'll get through that. But this is very important to understand how our money system works. Again, mathematics, mathematics, mathematics. Here's trig. And then we go up a little bit further. There's one of your admins. And you get the Curious Counters Compendium, which is usually $19.95 or $19.99 for free here. Read this to your kids a couple of times. People are really enjoying this book. I get all kinds of really great testimonials and feedback when people use this with their kids. Over here, Divinely Dandy Non-Difficult Division is also available. So look, all those books are $50 if you buy them $19.99, $19.99, and $9.99. They're all here. Plus, you get more. Wait, there's more. These videos, which are behind password-protected pages, and I give you the passwords even once you get in there. Here, is a video that's kind of fun, using pineapple to teach mathematics. What we basically do is take the pineapples, and I'll show you how to cut the pineapples up into triangles, and then we cut those triangles into rectangles, and then it makes it easy to sum up the area, and that leads to pi r squared. Let's see here. Videos on dollar cost averaging. A little more on stocks for the parents and so on. There's a link to books. Scroll, keep look at all the stuff that's here. Like I said, more videos, more videos, more videos. There's homework, more videos, pictures, so you can see what the other kids were doing and having fun. Hopefully, inspire you to post some of your own and play math with your kids. But let's get up here to, and again, great aha moment right here. This is awesome, caught on video. Let's keep going here. This is good. Oh, by the way, it spreads it, doesn't cure it. And people just insist, they just insist on the chemotherapy, even when it kills them. So, oh, here's another great video on dollar cost averaging where I basically show you, is it going to be there? Yeah, where I basically show you, like, if you did this investment, you could still make money even with a stock that does this, right? Using our friend the parabola. All right. And here are the manuals that I've been working on. So now I'm going to take you into the subtraction page. This is all, or excuse me, the Series A manuals page. All the Series A manuals are here. So now when you come here, see this is the Series A manuals page. And if you look at the comments, there's a comment under here. It has the entry page, and that's this right here. Takes you here to this page. Notice how I click manuals, and then you click enter, and you can buy them right here if you need it. Right? See, if you want to pass for just this page, they can buy it here. If you want just Series A manuals, all the Series A manuals, this is for actual printed hard copy, $32.50. If you are a lifetime member, you can get in this page for $13.50. Like I said, you get this page and you'll get Math Camp, so for the same price. So you don't have to pay $13.50 for this and $13.50 for Math Camp 2. You get them both for $13.50. Let's see here. If you want Series A manuals plus this page, it's $57.50. You'll get the hard copy of the Series A manuals. And if you just want to get a pass only, you don't want anything else, right? You don't want a lifetime pass. You don't want to go over to Math Camp. You don't want to do anything but get into, and you don't have a password, by the way. If you have a password, it's $13.50. But if you don't have a password, or if you say you have an annual password, or you have no password at all, it's $27. Simple. If you have a lifetime membership, half price. Right? If you have an annual membership, or you don't have any membership at all, $27. Right? And again, can you see that you can get your manuals and a pass in here for just $57.50. Okay, now once we get in, gotta pop the password in. This is a unique password. It's not the site-wide password. It's another password that will be added to your passport. And let me just put my password in. Oops. Not that. There you go. Boom. Now we're in. And look what it has. It has a video on Series A edition. There's a video that covers playing with it. And you see that place value is just absolutely taken for granted. Right. Okay, so we're right in the middle of it. So here is a short video going page by page over this book right here. And this is printable, or excuse me, this is read-only, not printable. If you want hard copy or printable versions, those are coming in the near future. We just got word that there's going to be a sale and there'll be PDFs available soon. But there's some issues that need to be taken care of, but that's coming. But right now, this is going to be all 10 Series A manuals eventually. Right now, I'm up to 4. I've got addition. Here is subtraction. So you get a video on it that covers every single page. I mean, if you go through it, it just, let's go here. Oh, There you go.
It's the same thing here when I want to do the...
Okay, so if it covers each one page by page and talks about it and how to do it and so on to best effect. And then we talk a little bit more about some of the, if there's any errors or anything, because like some of these have typos, and I just point them out because people aren't sure if it's supposed to be like that or if it's typo. Here is that's addition, subtraction. This is multiplication is coming up. I have not made the other 6 yet, but they're coming. And I mean, like, there's a bit of work to do. Plus, I'm doing Math Camp plus. A few other things are going on. So again, read-only PDF for the multiplication manual is sitting here. Here is the division manual, and then pretty soon on this page there will also be here you can get again the printable PDFs, Curious Counters Compendium, Supremely Simple Subtraction, and Divinely Non-Difficult Division. And soon there will be videos just like you see above, covering each and every page of these books too. I'll basically read the Curious Counters Compendium to you and talk about some of the things you can do. I'm going to make a couple of videos about this. One, I'm just going to read it, and then another one I'm going to go over it and talk about how you can stop and do more with what's there. So you can veer off and maybe go down some paths of your own, like square roots and other stuff. And then pages and pages of worksheets are also here. Links to those first grade worksheets, for example. You need a password for those, though. And then here's fractions worksheets, which you do not need a password for. And these are, notice how these are made for base 10 blocks, not only base 10 blocks, but the Mortensen ones, because the color scheme is exactly the same. So we talk about all of the fractions, and there's a video here that tells you how to use the worksheets again. Okay, let's see. So I mean, there is a lot of stuff here for 1350. And it's a lot of stuff that you don't get with your lifetime membership at the website. There will be more as time goes by, because I'm going to be adding more stuff to this page. And like I said, we didn't even get all the way up to the top. Look at all the other stuff that's here. More video, more articles, which is great. Some of these articles are written by your compatriots. These are other moms that have written stuff about... more pictures. There's a moment of mindfulness going on there. But people have, this is great, this little animation that we have here, how to factor polynomials. But I mean, yeah, there's all kinds of good things on this video, or excuse me, on this web page for you for 1350. And soon, it will also contain Math Camp in a Can. In other words, all 10 of the lessons that these guys got, you're going to get also. They just won't be live. And I'm having a heck of a time getting those produced because something always comes up. I can barely make this video, which is just telling you what's going to come. And what's coming is more video and more instruction on how to use these blocks to best effect. And it'll all be on this page. So if you're on a Facebooker, you can get everything on this page for $39.95. If you want the web page too, that has yet to be built, and this page, it'll be $50. If you and see this page, and see the trick is, if you buy everything piecemeal, it costs more. If you buy them in packages, it costs less. Simple as that. So for $13.50, you'll get the Series A manuals, and you'll get this also if you have a lifetime pass. If you don't have a lifetime pass, getting the Series A manuals hard copy is just like everybody else, $32.50. I can't do anything about that. And then you get that page and more PDFs for $27. Or you can have all of that plus Math Camp if you have a password for $13.50. If you don't have a password, it's just $27. Let me go back to the bottom of this page and tell you, because people, like I said, they seem to get confused, and it seems to me it should be fairly simple. Math Camp itself is pretty much over for the time being. There'll be more Math Camps coming up in the future. But if you want to get admission to Math Camp in a Cam, basically, the page that you're looking at right now, it's $13.50 if you have a lifetime pass. If you don't have a lifetime pass, it's $39.95 if you want Facebook only. In other words, you only get access to this page and all the links that come off of this page. But I mean, you only get access to this page. If you want a web page that'll have even more stuff, and it'll be, but less of all of the other distractions, like all these ads and all the stuff that comes with Facebook and so forth, that'll be $50. and you get into that page with a password that will be sent to you. If you have a lifetime membership, you get that password for $13.50. Simple. Okay, and then let's go back over here. So now, if you want to come into this page here, this is where the manuals are. And Series A manuals only, it's right here. Bam, manuals. That's this page. So here I'm clicking manuals, and it should take me to the entry page. Now, once I'm at the entry page, and I've already put my password in, let's see if it works. Yes, it does. All right, so since I've already put my password in, it takes me directly there. And right now, there's only 4 Series A manuals here, but there will be 10 soon. And then there's going to be another tab over here eventually, someplace, that's going to say Math Camp. And you'll be able to get in there, and it will have everything that's in the Math Camp, 10 lessons there, Series A manuals, all my PDFs, these PDFs, more worksheets, and so on for a low price. If you don't want to buy a lifetime membership, you can at least get this much of it for what I think is very reasonable, because you can't get this, as people are starting to slowly but surely figure out, anywhere else on the net. People that are using similar blocks to these still think that the kid has to be 13 or 14 or 15 before you start teaching them algebra. Whereas with us, we start with algebra right out of the chute. And many people, again, are starting to figure out and see with their own eyes that, yes, it is easier to teach your children mathematics when they're younger, not when they're older. So you wait, and it's not impossible. It's just more difficult. Right? It's simple as that. People are like, oh, is it too late? It's not too late. It's just going to be more difficult. The younger you start, the easier it is to impart mathematical concepts on your children. It's as simple as that. And I'm trying to make this affordable and stick you in math-rich environments where you can play. Because here's the deal. If you guys are at the super-duper secret summer math group, all these other people are there, 27 other people at the moment, and there should be more here shortly. Like I said, that these 4 people want to join, so we'd probably be up over 30 in no time. And then you guys can play together. Hopefully you'll set up some play dates where you guys, just because you're in Africa and the other person is in New Zealand, you guys can figure out a time and your kids could play math together. And it'd be fun to talk to somebody that's on the other side of the world and you're joined together by mathematics. That's my hallucination. You people in the United States, same thing. I mean, even here in LA, while I'm here in LA, in Los Angeles, I am going to see people and doing math. The drive there is an hour. Then I spend an hour with them, and then it takes me an hour to get home. So instead of just spending 1 hour of my life teaching mathematics, it takes me 3 hours to teach 1 hour of mathematics. So much easier to just do it right here on the internet, either using Google Hangouts or in the can like this. The days of having to leave your house for anything other than food are coming to a close, actually, in many places in the United States. And even then, you don't have to. I mean, people will deliver food to your house. Like, you can totally cocoon if you want to. But the idea is that you don't have to get out of your house to teach your kids math. You don't have to go to a school to teach your kids math. You don't have to go even to a homeschool group if you don't want to. But as many of you know, staying home, you don't get. It's not the same as if you're there in person. And it's good to get out and play together in groups in person. The next best thing to me is, of course, on the internet. And again, you guys have shared experience now. You have blocks, and you guys can all play. I can set it up so that you guys can play some games together. And one person is on one side of the world, and another person's on another side of the world, and you can play math games together, and your kids can learn. How much fun is that? And that's free. I mean, Google lets you talk anywhere on the planet as long as they have Google and you have Google. You can do the same thing with FaceTime for nothing. And what I've found is that if you get more people together at a time, things go faster, smoother, and it's more fun. So you guys could do it where you have one person gets together with another person, and it's just 2, or you guys can make up your own hangouts where you have 4 and 5 people getting together on a certain day and start playing and homeschooling and having fun. And if you need help and direction, you can always give me a call, or maybe I can even join in a couple of times for some of these groups just to give you some direction. But the idea is, it's here all for you. It's not, it doesn't have to break your pocketbook, and if you've already got a lifetime membership, it's super cheap. All right, Crouton Ramon's House of Math for more. Like I said, these people here that want to join this group, I will certainly approve you as soon as you pay. $13.50 from this person, $13.50 from this person, and I don't know what the status of these other two are. But if you want to come in, that's all it is. And right now, like I said, it's not done, right? The math page at the website hasn't been built, and I don't have 10 lessons in a can yet, but they're coming. Okay, Crouton Ramon's House of Math out.